back to Backmax High. And today we're going to be getting iodine from potassium iodide. So first we're going to start out by measuring 50 grams of potassium iodide. Now we're going to dissolve it in as little water as possible. Let's start with 50 milliliters of water. To fully convert the potassium iodide to hydroiodic acid, we need to use 45 milliliters of 7 molar hydrochloric acid. I found this out with some simple stoichiometry. Oh, awesome. There we go. Now we're simply going to add the hydrochloric acid. Turned a little yellow, that's okay. If you look closely, you can sort of see some crystals at the bottom. That's potassium chloride formed. And they're just precipitating out because of their low solubility, I assume, in hydroiodic acid. Now let's measure out the hydrogen peroxide. Again, using simple stoichiometry, I found out we needed 345 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide. So let's measure that out now. Alright, all our H2O2 is measured out, and now we're going to transfer the hydroiodic acid solution to a larger beaker. Now for dramatic effect, I'm going to add the first small amount of the hydroiodic acid solution to the hydrogen peroxide, so we see a little plume of iodine. And as the hydrogen peroxide fully converts the hydroiodic acid to iodine over time, the solution, as you can see right now, will get very dark. Now I'm adding the rest of the acid. I'm going to add it back into the bigger flask. Whoa, as you can see, purple vapor, which is iodine. Here we can already see chunks of iodine formed. And some iodine has splashed onto my glove, but that's alright. Now we simply let all the iodine form. There's the iodine floating at the surface. Some of it is also at the bottom. Okay, now that we have a pretty good lump of iodine, let's filter it using ice cold water. Okay, now that your iodine is all filtered and cleaned, you can get rid of the wastewater via sort of neutralization of the iodine with sodium sulfite or sodium thiosulfate to reduce it to iodide. I made a sort of concentrated solution of the sulfite, so that's the clear solution. Then that should be good.